Now today in this video I am going to discuss let us go through the entire of arithmetic, because this is very important for placement, and in fact in all the campusing this portion of arithmetic is very important. So a quick recap of whatever we have learned, and if you have missed anything, just go through your copies and revise these concepts. Now you don't have to solve everything, just few concepts you have to revise, and a quick recap of the things here. So I am taking you through the entire of the arithmetic very fast, and just go through these concepts. Take any book and solve few problems only with these concepts. You can do very fast. So starting from percentage. Now in percentage, what is required to answer any question on percentage? Three things I told you. First is the percentage table. Second is the up and down rule. Up and down rule. And third is the product rule or multiplicative effect. Multiplicative effect. Okay, or generally we call it AB rule. So these are the three things: percentage table, up and down rule, and AB rule. Enough to answer any question on percentage. For example, say the question is given that in an exam a student got say 45%, and he got 60 marks more than pass mark. Right? He got 60 marks more than the pass mark. Another student got 52%, and he got 116 marks more. 116 marks more than the pass mark. Now you will be asked two questions, that what was the maximum marks, and second question, what was the pass mark. Now how to answer these questions? Very fast, just look at the data in terms of percentage. What is the change? The change is only 7%. And what is the change in marks? From 60 plus, this is plus 60 more, to plus 116, so that is equal to 56. So 7% is 56, 1% is 8, 100% is 800. Got it right now? Difference is 56 and difference in percentage is 7%. So 7% is equal to 56. So 1% is 8, 100% is 800. So maximum marks 800. 1% is 8. And if the question is what was the pass mark? Now 1% is 8, so 45% is what? 360. 45 into 8. So 360. First student got 360 marks and he got 60 marks more. So what was the pass mark? 360 minus 60. And that is 300. So both the questions are answered very fast. You don't have to write anything actually. He got 60 marks more, he got 116 marks more, so the difference is 56. Difference in percentage is 7, so 7% is 56. Mentally you can calculate 7% 56, 1% 8, 100% 800, total marks 800. Question second question, pass mark. He got 45%, 1% is 8, so 45% is 360. 360 minus 60, 300 is the pass mark. Done. So this is one question. Second question is, say the price of petrol is decreased by 12.5%. So there is a price cut on petrol 12.5%. Now one thing is clear, that if I spend the same amount, whatever amount I am spending on petrol, if I spend the same amount, so obviously we are going to get more petrol in terms of quantity. Now what we are interested in is what percent more petrol we are going to get. So answer is very simple. What is 12.5%? It's a decrease, down, up and down. 12.5% decrease, so 1 by 8 down. 12.5%, 1 by 8% is stable. So what are 1 by 7 more? If 1 by 8, price down, 1 by 7 subtracted from here, that's numerator is subtracted from denominator, 1 by 7 more. And what is that? 1 by 7? 14.28%. 14.28% more petrol we are going to get. Clear? This is up and down rule. Next, that price of petrol is increased by 10%. Right? Price of petrol is increased by 10%. And also